it! Oh, that's great! Throw it! Till it flashes. Throw it hard. Throw it! There you go. Go get it. Where'd it go? That's great. Go get it. You can get it. Get it. You can get it. It's under there. Go get it. No, we want the bouncy ball. It's down there. Go get it.
It's your ball.
No, your bouncy ball. Go get your bouncy ball. You get it? Is it too far under there? Dad will help you. Oh, there it is.
There it is. What are you going to do with it?
Throw it. Throw it. Yeah. Yeah, you made it light up. Yeah, if you throw it real hard, it makes it light, huh? You can thank your Uncle Buddy for that ball. Oh, yeah. Go get it. Throw it. Throw it. Make it light up. Oh, gotta do it harder than that. Again.
You're teaching him to throw balls in the house. Throw it harder.
Okay, throw it. Go get it. Throw it. Harder. Good job. Yeah. Throw it. Yeah, you got it that time. Real hard. Throw it real hard. Get your bouncy ball, throw it real hard. Real hard. Again. Oh, there you go. You got it that time. Yeah.
That thing just won't stay lit.
Throw it real hard. Real hard. Oh. Okay, there you go. Right there. Throw it there. Oh, a balloon.